Many people picture airline cockpits as nostalgic spaces, almost like time capsules, full of dials, switches and levers, a symphony of analog controls, and pilots seated on plush woolly sheepskin covers, seemingly floating on clouds of comfort. This image is rooted in aviation lore, a romanticized vision of flight, evoking a sense of old-school comfort and adventure, a bygone era of daring pilots and mechanical marvels. Films and stories from the golden age of flight have kept this myth alive, perpetuating the image of the fuzzy cockpit. But is it still true today? Does this cozy image hold up against the realities of modern aviation? Sheepskin was once standard, a common sight in cockpits, but the reality has changed. Times have changed, and so have the interiors of our aircraft. Today's cockpits are high-tech environments, sleek and sophisticated command centers, where every material is chosen for safety and performance, rigorously tested and carefully selected, not just tradition. The myth persists because we love the romance of aviation's past, the allure of a simpler time. Sheepskin covers feel like a link to a more tactile analog era, a connection to the roots of flight. But aviation is always evolving, constantly pushing the boundaries of technology and design. What was once essential is now a rare sight, more a nod to history than a necessity, a relic of a bygone age. So where did this tradition come from? What sparked the trend of sheepskin seat covers? Why did sheepskin become so iconic? What made it the go-to choice for pilot seating? And what replaced it in the modern cockpit? What advancements led to its eventual decline? Let's explore the real story behind the fuzzy seat cover, unraveling the facts from the fiction. We'll look at its origins, tracing its roots back to the early days of aviation, its advantages, understanding the benefits it provided to pilots in the cockpit, and why it's mostly disappeared, examining the reasons behind its gradual fade from modern aircraft. The tale of the sheepskin seat is about more than comfort. It's a reflection of the changing needs and priorities in aviation. It's about how aviation itself has changed, adapting to new technologies and evolving safety standards. From rugged beginnings to today's precision, from open cockpits to climate-controlled environments, the cockpit seat tells a story of progress, a testament to the ingenuity and innovation of the aviation industry. The myth endures, but the reality is far more interesting, a complex blend of tradition and technology. Let's pull back the curtain on this enduring piece of aviation folklore and discover the truth behind the fuzzy cockpit. Sheepskin's journey in aviation began in the earliest days of flight, a testament to human ingenuity in the face of daunting challenges. It wasn't about luxury or aesthetics, it was about survival. Pilots in open cockpit biplanes faced freezing temperatures and biting winds, conditions that would be considered unbearable by today's standards. These brave aviators were exposed to the full force of nature. Sheepskin wasn't a luxury, it was survival gear, a critical piece of equipment that separated life and death in the unforgiving skies. It was as vital as the plane itself. Bomber jackets lined with shearling and seat covers kept pilots warm at altitude, providing a much-needed shield against the frigid air. These garments were meticulously crafted for maximum protection. The dense wool trapped heat, creating a personal microclimate for the pilot, while its breathability wicked away sweat, preventing dangerous chills that could impair judgment and coordination. In unheated, drafty cockpits, these properties were life-saving, offering a crucial buffer against the elements and ensuring pilots could maintain focus and control. Sheepskin seat covers became a natural extension of the gear pilots wore, an integrated part of their protective ensemble. It was about creating a cohesive system for survival. Metal or leather seats would sap body heat, quickly turning into icy surfaces that exacerbated the already challenging conditions. But sheepskin provided a crucial thermal barrier, insulating the pilot from the cold and helping them conserve vital energy during long flights. During World War II, Allied crews relied on shearling-lined jackets and seats for long, freezing missions, pushing both man and machine to their limits. The stakes were incredibly high. Sheepskin was as essential as a parachute or oxygen mask, a non-negotiable piece of equipment that could mean the difference between life and death in the skies above Europe. Its reputation was forged in the harshest conditions, tested and proven in the crucible of war and the pioneering days of flight. The tradition wasn't about comfort, it was born out of necessity, a direct response to the extreme environments pilots faced. It was about meeting the brutal demands of early aviation, where survival depended on ingenuity and the right equipment. Pilots weren't decorating, they were equipping themselves for survival, meticulously preparing for the challenges that lay ahead. Every item had a purpose. Sheepskin was high-performance technology straight from nature, offering a unique combination of insulation, breathability, and moisture-wicking properties. Understanding this origin helps debunk the modern myth, revealing the true purpose behind this seemingly simple material. The fuzzy seat cover was never just an accessory, it was a vital piece of equipment with a rich history and a critical function. It was a solution to a problem that's mostly vanished from today's cockpits thanks to advancements in aircraft design and climate control technology. As aircraft evolved, so did the needs of pilots, leading to a gradual shift away from the reliance on sheepskin for warmth and survival. The sheepskin seat is a relic of a time when flying was a battle against the elements, a constant struggle against the cold, wind, and altitude. Today it's a symbol of aviation's rugged past, a reminder of the bravery and resilience of the early aviators who paved the way for modern flight. As aviation decisively entered the jet age, a new era of speed and altitude dawned, but some old comforts remained surprisingly relevant. Sheepskin seat covers, seemingly an anachronism amidst the cutting-edge technology, remained a ubiquitous fixture in cockpits around the world. These weren't just decorative touches, they were essential for pilot comfort and performance. Early jetliners boasted pressurized cabins, a significant advancement for passenger comfort. However, cockpit temperatures were far from consistently comfortable and still fluctuated wildly, presenting a real challenge for pilots. The large, expansive windows, designed to offer pilots optimal visibility, also let in intense sunlight, turning the cockpit into something of a greenhouse. This created hot, often stuffy conditions, especially on long flights, impacting pilot focus and well-being. Sheepskin's natural insulation properties provided a crucial buffer against these extremes. It effectively kept pilots comfortable, whether battling the scorching heat of the sun or the biting cold of high-altitude flight. Beyond insulation, its breathability was key, preventing uncomfortable sweat buildup during demanding flights. This breathability was essential for maintaining focus and alertness, making those long transcontinental flights far more bearable. Durability was another key factor in sheepskin's widespread adoption. Sheepskin proved remarkably resilient, resisting the wear and tear that came with constant daily use in a demanding environment. Unlike synthetic materials like vinyl or even treated leather, it didn't crack, peel, or lose its loft and cushioning properties quickly under the stresses of the cockpit environment. Airlines, always mindful of cost-effectiveness and practicality, valued sheepskin for its exceptional longevity, its inherent comfort, and its ability to withstand the rigors of daily commercial flight operations. Over time, it became more than just a practical choice. It evolved into a symbol of professionalism, representing the dedication and long-haul endurance expected of airline pilots. Pilots, stepping into the cockpit for another flight, almost universally expected to see the familiar woolly cover, a comforting and familiar presence in their demanding workspace. Major airlines, recognizing its benefits and symbolic value, outfitted their entire fleets with these practical and reassuring sheepskin seats. It was a simple, yet remarkably effective solution that served the aviation industry well for decades. During the golden age of jet travel, when air travel was becoming increasingly accessible and glamorous, sheepskin in the cockpit wasn't just an aviation myth or a nostalgic memory. It was the undisputed standard, the norm, the expected feature. Its winning combination of exceptional comfort, reliable temperature control, and impressive toughness undeniably made it the king of the cockpit seating arrangement. The familiar woolly seat was as much a defining part of the professional pilot's uniform as the crisp hat perched atop their head and the gleaming stripes adorning their shoulders. But, inevitably, change was on the horizon, promising new materials and technologies. Sheepskin offered more than just comfort. Its natural flame resistance made it a safer choice in the event of a cockpit fire. Wool smolders and self-extinguishes, unlike many synthetics that melt or burn rapidly. Sheepskin is also hypoallergenic thanks to lanolin, which resists bacteria and dust mites. For pilots spending hours in their seats, this meant a cleaner, healthier environment. The material repelled dirt and liquids, making minor spills easy to clean. Maintenance was simple, often just a quick brush or wipe. This low-maintenance quality was a practical advantage for airlines. Most importantly, comfort translated to alertness. A comfortable seat reduced fatigue and helped pilots stay focused on long flights. Sheepskin wasn't just about luxury, it was about performance and safety. These hidden benefits cemented its place in aviation history. Sheepskin's reign ended as material science advanced. The late 20th century saw the rise of engineered textiles, synthetic fabrics designed for aviation. These materials like polyester and nylon blends were created to outperform natural fibers. They offered extreme durability, stain resistance, and superior fire resistance. Synthetics could be produced with consistent quality, unlike variable natural hides. Airlines embraced these fabrics for their cost-effectiveness and ease of maintenance. Standardized covers simplified logistics and reduced costs. Synthetics also allowed for more creative design. Colors, patterns, and branding became possible. The cockpit seat became part of the airline's visual identity. The shift wasn't just about replacing sheepskin, it was about optimizing every aspect of the cockpit. Modern materials brought new possibilities for safety, style, and efficiency. The era of the woolly seat was giving way to a new standard. The biggest shift away from sheepskin came with stricter fire safety regulations. The FAA and other agencies introduced tough flammability, smoke, and toxicity standards in the 1980s. Sheepskin, while naturally flame-resistant, struggled to meet these new requirements consistently. Treating it with chemicals was costly and compromised its feel. Synthetics, on the other hand, could be engineered to pass every test. For airlines, synthetics became the obvious choice. Safer, easier to certify, and more reliable. Safety regulations tipped the balance for good. Today, the choice between sheepskin and synthetics is a story of trade-offs. Many pilots still swear by the comfort and breathability of real sheepskin, but synthetics win on cost, maintenance, and crucially, safety compliance. Sheepskin is expensive and requires special care. Synthetics are easy to clean and replace, and they meet all regulatory standards. For airlines, the decision is clear: safety and efficiency come first. The modern cockpit is built on standardization and reliability. Sheepskin's comfort is legendary, but synthetics deliver across the board. The industry's priorities have shifted. Comfort is important, but it's just one factor among many. In the equation of cost, durability, branding, and safety, synthetics are the pragmatic choice. The woolly seat is now a rare luxury, not the rule. Step into a new airliner cockpit, and you'll find high-tech, ergonomic seats covered in advanced synthetics. The focus is now on active support, adjustable features, lumbar support, and fatigue reduction. Modern seat design is driven by research into pilot health and performance. Proper posture and support are prioritized over plushness. Synthetic fabrics are chosen for durability and to maintain the seat's ergonomic shape. Comfort is redefined. It's about minimizing fatigue, not maximizing softness. Every component is optimized for safety and efficiency. Still, some airlines and pilots hold on to the sheepskin tradition. You might spot it on certain long-haul fleets or with pilots who bring their own covers. For them, the unique feel of sheepskin is worth the extra effort. The legacy lives on, even if it's no longer the standard. The myth of the fuzzy cockpit seat is mostly busted. Modern airliners use advanced synthetics. Sheepskin is now a symbol of aviation's past, not its present. It served pilots well, offering warmth, comfort, and durability when they needed it most. The shift to synthetics reflects progress in safety, science, and design. Today's cockpit seats are engineered for performance and reliability. Yet, the legend of the sheepskin seat endures, connecting us to the romance of flight's early days. It's a reminder of how far aviation has come. The woolly seat is a beloved piece of lore, not a fixture of the modern cockpit. While most pilots now sit on engineered fabric, the story of sheepskin remains part of aviation's heritage. It's a fuzzy, enduring symbol of where flight began and how it's soared since.